guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gitika Arya. So in today's video, I am going to give you a home tour of my old house. Actually, we were living in Chandigarh for last 5 years and recently shifted to Rohtak. And in Chandigarh, we were staying in Married Doctors Hostel in PGI. So that was a very small house. It was a 1 BHK apartment, but it was very cozy, very beautiful and very close to our hearts because we had one of the best memories of our lives there. So by the home tour, I'm going to give you some tips also about arranging a small house, what kind of furniture you should buy, how you can increase the storage capacity and how you can accommodate guests also in a small house. So without a further ado, let's start the video. We were living on the first floor there, and on each floor there were 4 flats. These are some other flats, and there is a phone box without any phone. And this is the entry of our house. So let's get into our house. This house was quite small. It was like a studio apartment, but it is very close to our hearts. It was so cozy, very cute. We had great memories there. So this is the entry of our house, and we got this flooring done there by a local shop as the original floor was very dull and was not in a very good condition, and this flooring totally changed the look of the house. And just on left of the entry there was a big rack actually, and we converted it into a bookshelf because we had lots of books. We actually have them right now also. Then just on the left side of rack we have this beautiful corner where we have put this corner with some showpieces. Then there is a small gallery wall, a watch and a bell. So in the gallery wall, if you would notice, there is a black and white theme. We have some quotations here, some photos of ourselves, then some photos of our favorite animals like horses, dog. Then there is a watch that is also in a black and white color. Then there is a bell, but earlier we used to have this hanging which I made myself, but somehow I broke it. So if you want me to make a video on its DIY, then let me know in the comment section. Then there is this rack on which we have put a black bottle with some flowers, a showpiece of Buddha. And then there is an oil diffuser. Then below that there is a Chinese doll, and in the last rack there is a bicycle showpiece. So this was a very little cozy corner. Then on this side we have these couches with red black cushions which I got mostly from the home center. I made a theme around these colors, and these sofas came with different cushions, but I totally changed the look by these cushions. This is a great way to change the look of your old couches. Now the original paint or original color was this, and we get some wallpaper pasted on one wall of the living room, and this is the wallpaper and I love it. It was very elegant, very sophisticated. It totally elevated the look of our room to next level. Then we had these wall shelves which I got from Amazon, and as you can see we had put some showpieces here like Buddha. Then there is a glass. Then there are some DIY pieces also like these bottles which I made myself. This is jar which I painted. So overall some DIY, some purchased pieces. Then there were 2 frames also on the side of the wall shelves. So we divided this whole big room in 2 parts. On one side there were couches, it was like a drawing room, and on the other side there was this divan, and there was a study table also. So it was kind of a study room also, and we can rest also in that. And actually it's not just a divan, it is a divan cum bed here, and we used it a lot because whenever guests used to come we always converted it into the bed. And I think divan cum bed is best for small houses. And on just side of that we had put our refrigerator with some fridge magnets, and there we utilized each and every space like this. We had put our weights in between the bed and the refrigerator, and these were the curtains. There is a balcony outside there, very small balcony. Then we have put here chair, and from here the view of the room was very good. So this is the study table we had there. So kitchen was in pretty bad shape and we didn't do much there, because for that we had to call a carpenter, and at that time we didn't have much time, so we kept it like that only. The doors of Almiras were in pretty bad shape. So this was a small kitchen, but somehow we managed with it. There was dampness in the kitchen, and this is the study area. We had a study table that was foldable, and there is a display board, then some books, pens, a chair, and this was also our dining table because we used to have food here also, and this table was foldable also, so very comfortable. Then this is the bedroom, and we have put this cabinet, and we decorated these little corners with these leaves and a cane basket with some flowers, because sunlight was not enough here for the live plants, so we hang these artificial plants here. So as you can see, there was no wall in between the drawing room and the bedroom, so to make a partition we had put this cabinet in between the drawing and the bedroom, and it kind of acted as a partition between the both. Then we had installed some blinds also in between the drawing and bedroom, so whenever we needed some privacy in the room, whenever guests came over, we used to roll them down. And there were 3 blinds, and you can notice here that these blinds were not in the same line, and the middle blind was little anteriorly as compared to the other 2 blinds, and it was actually overlapping the other 2 blinds. As if you have seen the blinds, then there is always some space left between the 2 blinds, and we didn't want that here. So for that we installed the blinds in a way so that they can overlap and there was no space left in between like here. So in this way, even you could separate your 2 rooms if you have a one bigger room and you want to create 2 rooms from that room. So blinds are a very good way, because it was a government house, and spending on a wooden partition was not very good decision, so we chose to have these blinds. By again rolling the blinds, we could again connect the bedroom with the drawing, and it was very easy. You can even do it on daily basis. It is durable also, and it's a great way for temporary partition. And even you can use these blinds when you shift in your another house. You can use them on windows also, so they are multi-purpose. This was our bedroom, and we kept these 2 almiras and a cabinet in between, and the color theme of the bedroom was blue white, and we used the same colored wallpapers, blue and white, and the bed cover, cushion covers, and they all together looking very cute, very bohemian. I love these colors. And on the side of bed we had put this almira, and we even utilized the space above the almira by putting our bags, our traveling bags. Then we intentionally bought the almira with mirror so that we don't have to buy another mirror and utilize another space. Then we kept this cabinet in between and decorated this area with some chumbak decor piece, then some bird cages with some lights, then there is a printer also. We intentionally bought this cabinet instead of a full length almira in between, because if we would have kept all the almiras in the line, then this room would have looked very cluttered. Then we get this almira customized made according to our space and the need, and we got 3 drawers on the lower side to keep all our shoes, boots. Then this was the door of our washroom, on which we have pasted this poster, "Beta tumse na ho payega," and everyone used to ask why the hell you have this poster on the door of your washroom. And actually this was our conversation starting decor piece and this was our washroom. It was very small, as in the government houses you can expect. So we have used some organizers like this rack, and there is another organizer also to put our stuff. So this was all in the washroom. Then these are the almiras which were present in the accommodation only, but they were not in very good condition. Dampness was there. And this was our small, beautiful home. Home is where love resides, memories are created, friends always belong, and laughter never ends. This house became our home because we were surrounded with the best people of our lives. We were surrounded by so many good friends. We laughed together, we cried together there, we danced together. It was the house for all of us, not just for Pawan and me. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, then please like, share, and subscribe.